Revitalize your eyesight. Eye-boosting foods. Welcome to our video on eye-boosting foods. Your eyes are one of the most important organs in your body, and they deserve the best care possible. In this video, we'll show you how to boost your eye health and prevent vision problems with the power of nutrition. So, let's dive in. The importance of eye health. Your eyes are exposed to a wide range of environmental factors that can cause damage and degeneration over time. Factors like UV rays, blue light, and pollution can all contribute to the development of eye diseases like cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. However, by consuming the right foods, you can give your eyes the nutrients they need to fight off these threats and maintain clear vision. 1. Dark leafy greens. The first food on our list is dark leafy greens. These include spinach, kale, collard greens, and other similar vegetables. They're rich in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and blue light. Additionally, these greens contain vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. 2. Fatty fish. The second food on our list is fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel are all great sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the eyes. Omega-3s can also improve tear production, which can prevent dry eyes. 3. Citrus fruits. The third food on our list is citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining good eye health. Vitamin C can help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, two common age-related eye conditions. 4. Nuts and seeds. The fourth food on our list is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are all excellent sources of vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Additionally, these foods contain zinc, which is essential for healthy vision. In conclusion, these are some of the best eye-boosting foods you can include in your diet. Incorporating these foods into your meals can help you maintain healthy vision and prevent eye-related diseases. So, make sure to include them in your diet and see the difference.